Hello everyone. So first of all, thank you so much for watching this demonstration of multi-platform Leads Builder for LeadsMan. First, what you will have to do, just open MergeLine.in to purchase this tool. You can click on Get LeadsMan and then download LeadsMan. And here you can provide your email address, phone number, and then you can purchase this. Just after purchase, it will be instantly delivered on your provided email address. From there, you can download the files. You will get one zip file. Under that zip file, you will have a video demo of installation. Um, so you can just extract it using any extractor tool. Windows also have its default. This will work on any Chrome, wherever the Chrome is present, this will work, not on mobile device. You can now just open this, till these files. Okay, just copy this path. Then what we'll have to do, open your Chrome, click on these three dots, then extensions, then manage extensions. Here, what you will have to do, enable the developer mode. So you can upload local extensions here. Then click on load unpacked extension, and here you will have to paste your path. After paste, you can just select the folder, and that's it. It's now ready to use. At first, this is not actually pinged. So what you can do, uh, click this tab extensions and ping this. So you can instantly use it from here. Now you can open it like this. Then I will now show you the demo, like how it works, the complete demonstration. Uh, from Google Business, if you need connects from Google Business, I mean the Google Maps, you can if you need web designer connects, you can type it like this, and then from what cities, you can use smaller cities to get larger records. So in Mumbai also there are many small cities, but for now I will just go through Mumbai. So Mumbai, Delhi. You can type multiple cities. You can type multiple keywords also. Keep it comma separated. You can enable the email scrapping to grab the emails. Then you can search. It will now basically start grabbing the Google Maps records. Here you get all the required fields from contacts to basically other like name, location, domain, country code, email address, city, pin code, rating, review, and many other things. So for now, I will just stop it. You can basically download it. We have multiple formats like Excel, CSV, VCF if you want to save it into your contacts. Uh, so you can basically save all these records into your contacts instantly, so, which helps you to bulk message or something. Then I will move to the social lookup. This helps you grab connects from multiple social networks. We have approximately 13 here, and we are continuously adding it. Um, and one day we will give option for open, so you can type it yours. So I will just go from Facebook, Instagram. You can filter it through country also, and then you can add keywords. Web designer. This can be comma separated, and we can. So this will start adding records. You can see here. We are creating title, phone, and emails from any keyword you will add. Uh, from any country you will select as per the platforms and as per your keyword. You will get this leads. And that's all about this extension. It's a really powerful extension and very stable currently in market.